The leader of the All India Trinamool Congress in Meghalaya Legislative Assembly, Dr. Mukul has demanded for National Investigation Agency (NAI) or Central Bureau of Investigation (CBI) for the police operation that led to the killing of the former self-retired General Secretary of the band HNLC, as the report is not satisfactory and not accepted by sections of the people of the state. Dr. Mukul also questions the modus operandi of the police operation that had been done in the middle of the night. He said that for every police action, there is a standard operating procedure to be observed. He recommended that the same exercise should be handed to either of the above-mentioned central agencies.
Based on the outcome of the inquiry that was tabled today before the August House, this report should have been made available to the people a long time ago. But anyway, the government has chosen to see that the binding requirement of government to place such a report before the House, they have to comply, so they have to comply. And therefore, we are privy to this report only now. We should have been privy to this report even before. There is the SOP. Wherever there has been rain across the state in the past, it's always in the top. 4:30 in the morning, 5 in the morning, it is on expected line because that is part of the SOP. Now in the instant case, you look at the incident has taken place at 3 o'clock. So they should have waited for 1 hour or 1.5 hours at the most to have that kind of visibility. As simple as that. No, the question here is whether they wanted to arrest him or they wanted to kill him. Yeah, the demand for inquiry is for that, whether they wanted to arrest him or they wanted to kill him. If they would have been able to arrest him, they would have got further more information. They would have been able to enrich themselves with further more inputs, which are crucial for the internal security of the state and the nation.